Hello, Stan Fisher again, writer of the Beyond the Bank blog for the American Bankers Association Banking Journal, and I'm here on the floor of the CES 2011. That's the Computer Electronics Show 2011 at the Las Vegas Convention Center, where we have thousands of people today walking the exhibit hall, interacting with innovators and exhibitors from around the world. Today what we've learned is that these individuals are experiencing, touching the future through the innovations that are on the floor, and there's a lot of great products that we'll be talking about in a minute. But one of the things that I wanted to bring to your attention is content or product information is most efficiently distributed by handing out these USB thumb drives. It's the most popular way to hand out these things. These thumb drives cost about a dime and can carry a lot of information and video. And you've read about these in one of my blogs about the security and safety. Well, today I visited with a vendor that can help you secure this information on these thumb drives, so if they're lost or stolen, if you have an employee that uses a thumb drive and takes bank data and this thumb drive is lost or stolen, you can secure the data on here and it can be destroyed in the event that it has been stolen. The name of that vendor is X-Factor, and they can help you protect your data at your financial institution. So give that a thought, the X-Factor. Anyway, moving on, some of the things that we've learned about the technology day really has to do with that by 2014, 70% of the consumer electronics that are available in the country will be connected to the internet. And what's really interesting, of that portion, less than 14% of those users of that technology will have access to their banking system through their smartphones. In addition to that, we learned that 75% of the age group between 18 and 24 view content regularly online. They don't watch necessarily broadcast TV, they watch YouTube and other types of programs utilizing their computing devices. So if you want to reach out to that market segment, you have to start thinking in that context. Another thing that we learned is that in the year 2001 and 3, individuals in the United States had cell phones. Today, 9 in 10 have cell phones, and the percentage of that market that uses smartphones is about 40% and growing, and the fastest growing operating system for those smartphones is the Android operating system. Now what's real important is Verizon just announced a new product called the Revolution phone with LG. It is a 4G phone. At Verizon has a 4G network now available in 38 states and has a 3-year plan to blanket the entire North America with 4G capability. And what's really interesting about this 4G phone is that it has two-way video conferencing available. Now from a banking application standpoint, imagine your customer calling you up using their 4G phone and you have a 4G phone, let's say a private banking customer, and they can talk to you and see you at the same time. Or you can reach out to an employee wherever they are and you can have a two-way video conference with them. It's a way of using technology to touch when you can't be there to touch. It's an exciting time here at CES. I strongly encourage you to read my blogs as I start posting them later, because we will be talking about a lot of things, but what's really happening here today is what can be characterized as a mobile revolution, and I'll be writing about that later on this week. Thank you for watching, and we'll write to you soon. And I'm the Wombat. Goodbye.